Hey everyone, the professor here. Going to give you some quick value on crude oil for ending this Thursday afternoon session to get you ready for a London session and maybe even into some early trading on Friday morning. Now, I am going to stay off camera. I've been a little under the weather and you don't need to see this messed up face. All right, so we are sitting on this current 8-hour chart right here. Let's turn this into white. Okay, so right now we still have about an hour and a half before market close. This is looking to be like a bullish engulfing green candle. Okay, so if we close above this level right here, okay, then substantially close above that level, we should see price to go higher with crude oil. Now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and draw a Fibonacci to possibly give you where you might expect some type of friction. Number one is, let me get rid of this arrow right here, and let me make this bigger so you can see it on any device. Okay, we are approaching the 61.8, and then up here is where traditionally inside of our trading club we begin to look for those reversals. The reason being is that we know that if price closes above the 100% Fibonacci level, then that usually is a correlation with a possible trend change. And then we can see the next Fib level being hit at 85.50, but we still have a long way to go because we are still right at this level right in here. So I'm going to drop down to the 4-hour chart so we can currently see what price is doing. Now, this is a zone. Remember, this is never an exact science. So it would, to me, in my opinion, it's going to take a candle to close above this 83 mark, which is a psychological number. Okay, we would need a candle to close above 83 if we're going to see 83.50 or even 84. If we don't get that candle to close up in that particular area, then we should expect price to drop from here down to at least the next fib level, if not lower, heading into the Asian session, and then depending on where it's at for the London session. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are looking at the price action as you are following this chart throughout the course of the next 24 hours. Hey, by the way, so far, if you're getting some value, hit that like button, subscribe if you're brand new, and share this video with others. So let me break it down into a smaller time frame. We're beginning to see some rejection here now. Okay, it is currently about 3:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When you watch this video, or if you come back to this video later in the day, this is going to be your cue right here. If there is a candle on a 4-hour time frame that closes up in this level, okay, then you're going to be looking for some type of retest and then continuing the long journey up into London session and Friday morning. If we get a close back down at these levels down in here, as the session closes, then we're looking for basically this type of move up to the bottom side of the London session. If we get that candle to come down in here, okay, and we're going to make this candle red, then you should be looking for a bearish movement heading past London and into Friday morning. Now, one of my trading rules is that I do not trade on Fridays at all. So that is, one of my rules, and I stick to my rules. But again, if you need help, if you have been struggling trading, if you want to join a community of like-minded people, we are growing daily because of the massive value. Head over to theprofessortrades.com. Come on in for less than $1 a day, see what we're doing, and watch the value. We will greatly help you with your struggles, which for most people is that trading psychology piece. So I hope to see you in there very shortly. So this is the price action that we're looking for. This is going to be a telltale area. Now, again, you could have a false breakout, okay? So I would avoid still taking a long until we don't get a closure above 83, okay? For price to go long, okay, you need, let's fix this. You need a close and retest above 83. Okay, so I'm going to put this right up here. So you have that. That's what you're looking for. If over the next hour and a half, this rejection holds and we see price come down at this level, if you're in the club, you don't need to worry. I'm going to give you an updated chart as the markets close between 5 and 6 during our live analysis. And then if price definitely closes below this 82.19, we start looking for price to come way back down into the 81s as we head into Friday. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.